Not playing. Oi! Don't chase, are you? Oi! Look, camera.
Nope.
Oh no. I want to keep this up.
You want to keep it?
Yeah.
Excellent. So,
William.
okay, you can clean it because it poos up to 72 times a day as an average
Bit like
adult.
you,
I was
Henry.
not the one to count it, by the way, just for the record. Not that sad.
Don't touch its face.
I'm a little bit sad, but not that sad to count an owl's poo. And between January and May, they turn really, really nasty.
Why?
Hang on, what month are we in now? Wait, we're not quite in May yet.
Like that one there.
It's called mating time, and what that basically means, right, is they go out looking for a yucky girlfriend or a yucky boyfriend,
Can you have a bath?
You can have it back.
and they turn really nasty. But Aqua's our little darling, aren't you, babe?
My turn.
If you look at father,
Right, because you're really small, okay, before you touch it, one sec, make a fist, elbow down, arm up like that. Before you touch this one, because you're small, like Aqua, you've got to put your hand above it like that. You
Put
do
your hand
that.
above it.
Yeah, no, a little bit higher.
That's
Right,
it.
don't stroke it just yet. What you want to do from there is keep your hand there for the rest of the day.
so these can go on
You've got the rest of the day.
Now see, Bob.
10 seconds. Only joking, stroke it nice and gently.
Very gently. There, good
Yeah, but
boy.
don't you stick your finger. Like,
No, you don't want to stick your finger in its ear or in its mouth or...
No, Bob.
If you